What's up, everybody? Today we're gonna be recapping this trade I took this morning on New York AM. I took a long today because a lot of confluences were like just aligning with me, and like we just had a bunch of stuff that like appeared for me. Let's go to like the actual replay and stuff. So coming into the day, I was very like bullish because the higher time frames are obviously showing displacement and high selling pressure. And we had a draw on liquidity to the downside. We had New York AM, London, Asia, and New York PM. But as you guys are gonna see right now, let's go to this lower time frame. Like I marked out my fib before, like, well, it was pretty much market open, I guess. But right, we get this strong displacement as we like before market open, and it was a textbook AMD XAMD setup for me personally. As you guys can clearly see, like we accumulated London, Asia, and I felt like we could honestly like bounce back from one of these lows that we take, but we end up not taking any lows here, but we end up actually respecting them. And later on, we do in fact take those lows. But I wasn't originally bearish, but then like like price just started to accumulate again, and it was like semi choppy. And I figured, oh, we might get a small reversal to fill this displacement before we can continue lower. And as you guys are gonna see, it really did play out how I wanted it to. And my entry was pretty much like we respecting the low. It was a respective low right there, and the higher time frames aligning with my bias. 5 minute on power of three, 15 minute power of three. And with this, we filled the 4 hour displacement because let me show you guys. On the 4 hour, we ended up filling this right here, these entire FEGs. So that was another reasoning for me, to enter along. It was a pretty good indicator for me. And like I felt like we wanted to go up higher because you know how New York likes to like, but like when we're like usually these past couple of days it's been just ripping up automatically. And as you guys are gonna see, I do trade quarterly theory, so it did fall into my micro session of quarterly theory and my 90-minute cycle. We also had a 15-minute SSMT and a 1 minute SSMT with ES, which was good for me, another indicator on a possible reversal. And yeah, let's get straight into I'm gonna let you just guys see how it plays out because honestly, it was a pretty good trade for me in my mind, and you guys are gonna see right here. I enter off this candle right here. My stop loss was originally gonna be up here, but as you guys can see on my oh whoa, as you guys are gonna see right now, um, like oh what's going on? All right, anyways, we're gonna ignore that. Right, my stop loss was like maybe 20 points, and then my entire TP was 109 points. I did not need a target at 109 points. Like this was what I was targeting. Like I had a very tight stop loss to minimize. I think I had like a 25-point stop loss, and then let me see real quick. And like, oh god, and this is what I was targeting to hopefully try to get it. But I ended up closing manually slowly because I forgot that I have a consistency rule. So I didn't want to mess that up. And we're so close to this, to passing this eval. And let me show you guys how many winning days we've had so far. We've had three, 4 winning days. This trade, I don't know. I just took it off like pure just wanting to trade. And then after that, I fixed myself. I reevaluated, and we're one day away from passing this eval and being funded. So that's amazing for me. But as you guys are gonna see, watch this play out. We get small drawdown. Oh, I don't think I entered off this candle. I might have. I don't think it was enough to like wick me out right here. Yeah, it wasn't enough because my stop loss wasn't that tight. Like I almost got stopped out. But we end up hitting smacking TP. I think I put it up here originally. Uh, right here. But as you guys are gonna see, we're gonna get some drawdown. When market was live and open, we ended up getting drawdown down here. And yeah, I manually closed. I didn't hold because I didn't want to be risky with it. Let me just leave the session real quick. Like I didn't want to like be risky with my trade. But yeah, as you guys can clearly see, little small drawdown and boom, we rip up and we end up smacking TP and we ended up winning today. And my like bias was correct. We ended up like we do end up filling this and then we dump automatically. It looks like we respect these lows, to be honest. It doesn't look like we are gonna take them out, but we might take them out during Asia because Asia for the past couple of days have been choppy and it's just been taking out like recent lows and stuff like that. Let me show you an example if I can find one. Or I don't know, maybe. Yeah, sorry, taking highs, not lows. So yeah, and we just took all this out. I didn't realize. But yeah, that was low key just the trade recap that I took today. Just a little recap and yeah, one more day from passing this eval and we're gonna be funded. Hopefully this payout comes soon. And I just want to thank God once again. I'm always thanking him for like the ability to like, trade and get more knowledge on this market because knowledge is power, guys. And I just want to end it off with a quick thank you to anybody who watches these videos. If I ever post them, I just want to thank you guys. And yeah, I'll see you guys in another recap.